with the peaceful people in Afghanistan. And from our bottom of heart, from Rajshahi, we like to welcome you. And already our one participant invited you to visit in Rajshahi also. We are also the people of peaceful city and green city, definitely. So I would like to show my honor and gratitude to the all the participants who are sitting in front of us. I would like to share some challenges and problems that our young generation are facing nowadays. If I talk about some challenges, first of all, one big major problem is coming in our mind that women empowerment is a big challenge. You know, at Rajshahi and all over the country, women are facing huge, tremendous problem because they cannot find any job opportunity for after completing graduation degree also. Another problem is that I personally found and believe that our youth are facing tremendous trouble in case of education system because I think personally our education system need to be upgraded. You know, we have to adopt some vocational training, technical training instead of adopting tertiary education, of course. Another challenge we have that we have majority of young people, more than 53 million people in Bangladesh are unemployed nowadays. You know, people after completing higher education and graduation, they became unemployed or even under unemployed. So we have lacks that we don't have any sufficient sectors to create job opportunity. And because government is focusing only some particular sector, so we do recommend that we need to expand our sectors like we could focus on industrialization in that city because we have so many university, we have highly human resources, skilled manpower, but we are not providing job sectors also. Uh, if I'm not wrong, we have so many problems. Like we have some problem in case of early child marriage. You know, parents from near to the Rajshahi who are living near to the Rajshahi and villages. Also, parents get into fear that their children don't have an education because they thought himself that our child, especially female, they cannot afford job after completing the education. So as a result, early child marriage is happening. As a result, dowry system is expanding day by day, and that's why certain percentage of female they are not getting higher education also. So we have some common in cases, some challenges. We have so many things, but right now I want to share so many things like uh, as I talked earlier, Russia is getting globalized city. You know, this is the age of globalization, and people around the world are visiting for education, for business purposes. But major problem is that our students are not getting job because of only incapability of creating job sectors. So we need to focus on part-time jobs also. People from our neighboring country, from SAARC country like India, Nepal, Bhutan, youth from there are coming for higher education also. So that's all from me. I have talked about this issue. I'm a learner and my name is Mohammad Tufail Ahmed. Thank you very much for listening to us. Thank you.